Well, it's been a busy weekend for the Canobolas RFS with 2 watch and act alerts issued in less than 24 hours. A fire broke out near Woodstock on Saturday, which burnt through 500 hectares of bushland. But what had fire crews really concerned was a blaze near the Nangar National Park, which came so close to claiming a number of homes.
The RFS had more than 120 volunteers at this blaze, and from the air, it's easy to see why. Even after last night's cool change and light rain, the Nangar fire still burns. As the sun set yesterday, fire crews rushed to contain the fire, which threatened a number of homes between Eugowra and Canowindra. Canobolas threw every resource it had at this one, with nearly 30 tankers and help from the air too. For homeowners like this one along the Nangar Road, it was lucky they did.
So it was a fantastic save and marvellous effort from the firefighters on the ground late yesterday afternoon and into the evening.
The fire nipped at the edge of the Nangar National Park. Heavy machinery was rushed in to bulldoze containment lines. The RFS couldn't afford to let this one get a hold in the national park itself. Volunteers got things under control late yesterday evening, but just after 2:30 this afternoon, the fire broke RFS containment lines. It wasn't the only blaze for Canobolas crews. Aerial bombers were needed to fight a fire near Woodstock on the Mid-Western Highway on Saturday. A number of properties were put at risk, but volunteers were able to contain the fire before any property was destroyed. It burnt through more than 500 hectares. The fire danger for our region was dropped back from severe to high today, but even with the cooler conditions, volunteers still have their hands full. The RFS says the next couple of days is all about rest and revival, making sure volunteers are ready should those dangerous conditions return.
Even those firefighters that haven't had much activity in their own area, they've been on a heightened level of alert, and we need to give them a bit of a break.
Nathan Stitt, Prime 7 News.